This gearbox tool is used to adjust the clutch servo actuation rod of the Mercedes-Benz GS PowerShift systems. JALTEST includes procedures that make reference to this type of tool. Here's an example of the rod adjustment procedure with JALTEST in a Mercedes-Benz Actros 2.3 truck. We select truck, vehicle type, Mercedes-Benz, truck brand, Actros, family and Actros 2.3 model. We filter by gearbox system type and GS system. We select the Releases and Procedures model and we choose a procedure. In the header of this procedure, we can see the different special tools within JALTEST tools family that should be used. These special tools also appear in each of the steps where they should be used.